Hey everybody, welcome back. I promise I am trying to get the hang of this. Making the videos is so easy. Doing the nails is easy for me. It's though doing the voiceovers is the part that's really killing me at this point. I just never feel comfortable. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Like, everyone keeps saying, oh, just talk like you're talking to a friend. And I'm like, yeah, but if I'm talking to a friend talks back. Me talking during the video, nobody's talking back to me, so it feels so weird. Anyway, today I'm doing a ribbed cat eye set. I actually saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was so cute, and I was like, oh, I want to try it. So I did. Now, this was the first time I've done this set, and all these polishes that I got, the cat eyes, got all of them off of Temu, and this is really like my first time using them, and I can say I am thoroughly impressed. I definitely wasn't sure what to expect from these. I didn't know if it was going to be like good quality, bad quality, if it was going to give what it needed to give, or if it was going to be a bust. But at the end of the day, I was like, I didn't really spend a whole lot of money. So I was like, even if it is a bust, it was a cheap bust, so it's not that bad. But ultimately, I'm really happy with how they came out. It was really easy. And on this one, I did not do a top coat over the cat eye before I did the ribbing on one side. I'm not sure if it was the left or the right, one of them. And I can say definitely do the top coat. It makes things so much easier. Without the top coat, the nails are kind of sticky because I use a base coat first and then I do the cat eye. So they're sticky, and that's not really good for, especially if you're doing like the chrome powder that I use to make it iridescent. It definitely doesn't work well. So definitely wipe that off. Do the top coat and then do the ribbing on top. Ultimately, these came out really cute. I'm really happy with how they turned out. These will be available for sale. I have started, or not started, but really started putting together an Etsy shop so that I can sell all of these press-on sets that I'm making. And I don't have all of them up yet, but I'm getting it together. I'm working it out. But I really love doing this. It's fun for me. I get to be creative, and I'm not clocking into a 9 to 5. It makes me really happy. I'll say that. It makes me really happy. But I hope you guys enjoy this set, and I hope you like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.